We started Wisi-Oi. It worked, but it wasn't perfect. The tech was clunky, listings took too long, payouts dragged, and shipping was a headache. We didn't always get it right. We knew we could do better. We didn't build Kloset Klub alone. We read your DMs, your emails, and comments. You told us what frustrated you. You told us what you loved. You told us what you wanted. And we listened. Why Kloset Klub? Because resale should feel easy, fast, and fun. Because sellers deserve tools that actually work, and buyers deserve trust. We rebuilt from the ground up. We fixed your pain points. Faster uploads, better shipping, clearer payouts, and safer payments. And we didn't stop there. We added video, community tools, and dashboards to make it more than just resale. And now it's here, Kloset Klub. It's not just an app, it's a movement. And you have been part of it from day one.